Discover the perfect blend of community and convenience at Arbor Gate with thoughtfully designed single-family home sites in the heart of Simpsonville's sought-after Five Forks suburb. As one of the last remaining new construction communities in this highly desirable location, Arbor Gate offers a rare opportunity to put down roots in one of Greenville County's most coveted school districts. This community has been designed with connection in mind. Stroll along the tree-lined streets with charming city sidewalks, then unwind in our 2.5-acre central green space, complete with walking paths and benches, the perfect place to meet neighbors or enjoy quiet moments in nature. Enjoy access to top-rated schools and the prime Five Forks location that puts shopping, dining, and entertainment just minutes away. At Arbor Gate, you're not just buying a home, you're gaining a lifestyle in one of Greenville's most established and desirable areas. Come discover what makes Arbor Gate the perfect place to call home. Build your dream home at Arbor Gate.